Hello, everyone. Are you looking for a best ultra short throw laser projectors? These are the best ultra short throw laser projectors on the market today. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 5. SAMS UNG, the premier ultra short throw 4K. Immerse yourself in a cinematic marvel with SAMS UNG, the premier ultra short throw 4K projector, a groundbreaking addition to your home entertainment setup. This isn't just a projector. It's a portal to a world of vivid visuals and unparalleled clarity, transforming your living room into a home theater experience like never before. The Premier's ultra-short throw technology allows placement just inches away from the screen, delivering a massive 4K image with stunning detail. The built-in acoustic beam technology ensures immersive sound that complements the breathtaking visuals. With smart TV capabilities, the Premier integrates seamlessly into your connected home, offering easy access to a world of content. Number 4. ViewSonic X2000B 4K. Step into the future of visual excellence with the ViewSonic 4K projector, a technological marvel designed to elevate your viewing experience to new heights. This isn't just a projector. It's a portal to a world of stunning visuals and immersive entertainment. Boasting true 4K Ultra HD resolution, the 4K delivers crystal-clear imagery with vibrant colors and exceptional detail. With HDR content support, every scene comes to life with dynamic contrast and brilliant brightness. The 4K's advanced laser technology ensures precise and accurate color reproduction, creating a cinematic experience in the comfort of your home. With flexible installation options and versatile connectivity, this projector adapts to your unique space and entertainment preferences. Number 3. A WOL Vision 4K Triple Chroma UST projector. Experience a visual revolution with the WOL Vision 4K Triple Chroma UST projector, a technological masterpiece designed to redefine home entertainment. This projector isn't just a device. It's a gateway to unparalleled visual brilliance and immersive cinematic experiences. With true 4K resolution and triple chroma technology, the WOL Vision ensures lifelike colors, exceptional clarity, and vivid details on a grand scale. The ultra-short throw design allows flexible placement, creating a massive screen experience with minimal distance. Equipped with advanced features like HDR compatibility, this projector delivers stunning contrast and brightness for a dynamic visual feast. Smart connectivity options and intuitive controls make it a user-friendly addition to your home theater. Number 2. LG CineBeam Premium 4K UHD Laser UST Projector. Immerse yourself in the cinematic brilliance of the LG CineBeam Premium 4K UHD Laser UST Projector, a technological marvel that brings the magic of the big screen to the comfort of your home. This projector isn't just a device, it's an epitome of visual excellence, transforming your living space into a home theater experience like no other. With a true 4K UHD resolution and advanced laser technology, the CineBeam Premium delivers stunning clarity, vibrant colors, and remarkable details. The ultra-short throw design allows seamless integration into any room, producing a massive screen experience without the need for extensive space. Equipped with HDR support and cinematic sound quality, this projector elevates your movie nights and gaming sessions to an extraordinary level. Number 1. Philips Screenio U4 Ultra Short Throw Projector. Step into a new era of home entertainment with the Philips Screenio U4 Ultra Short Throw Projector, a technological marvel that seamlessly combines innovation with cinematic brilliance. This projector isn't just a device, it's a portal to immersive visuals and an elevated viewing experience within the confines of your home. Featuring an ultra-short-throw design, the Screenio U4 delivers a massive screen experience with minimal distance, transforming any room into a home theater. With 4K UHD resolution and vivid colors, every frame comes to life with stunning clarity. Smart connectivity options, user-friendly controls, and integrated speakers add convenience to the cinematic journey. Whether it's movie night or gaming extravaganza, the Philips Screenio U4 ensures an unparalleled visual spectacle, making it a centerpiece for home entertainment enthusiasts.